Look closely at that price tag. $9.99. Not $10. Almost never $10. That 1 cent isn't a coincidence. It's one of the most deliberately studied numbers in retail. And in the next 5 minutes, you'll understand exactly why it works on your brain, whether you believe in it or not. Why everything costs Jodio. Here's the core finding from pricing research by marketing professors Manoj Thomas and Vicky Morwitz. Your brain doesn't process a price as one whole number. It reads the digits left to right, and the very first digit carries far more psychological weight than all the others combined. So when you see $9.99, your brain registers 9 something almost instantly, and that first impression sticks. Even though Jodan is, for all practical purposes, identical to $10. In their studies, dropping a price from $3 to $2.99 reduced how valuable the deal felt by far more than 1 cent should logically justify, because the leftmost digit dropped from 3 to 2, and that felt like a much bigger jump than a single cent. This isn't a marketing myth or a guess. It's been replicated across multiple controlled pricing studies, published in the Journal of Consumer Research. Researchers call it the left digit effect, and it shows up consistently across different products, different price ranges, and different groups of shoppers. Here's the part that surprises most people. Knowing about this effect doesn't make you immune to it. In follow-up studies, participants who were explicitly told about the left digit effect beforehand barely changed their purchasing behavior at all. That's because this isn't a conscious decision you're getting wrong. It's a perceptual shortcut that happens in a fast, automatic part of cognition long before your slower, more deliberate reasoning even gets involved. By the time you consciously think, that's basically $10, your gut reaction has already logged the price as cheaper. This effect gets even stronger during sales. A price drop from $50 to $49.99 is mathematically a 1 cent discount. But because it crosses that left digit boundary from 5 to 4, it can feel like a meaningfully bigger deal than it actually is. Which is exactly why so many discounted prices are set just 1 cent below a round number, instead of an actual substantial price cut. Once you start noticing this, you'll see it everywhere. Restaurant menus are full of prices ending in .99, subtly making every dish feel a little more affordable than its rounded price would. Streaming services and subscription apps do the exact same thing. $9.99 a month sounds meaningfully cheaper than $10 a month, even though, over a year, that difference adds up to less than the cost of a single cup of coffee. Even gas station signs take this further, pricing fuel down to a fraction of a cent because at that scale, every fragment of perceived savings adds up across millions of transactions. So next time you see a price ending in .99, you'll know exactly what's happening in your brain in that split second. It's not a scam, and it's not about you being careless with money. It's a well-documented quirk of how humans process numbers used deliberately on almost everything you buy. If this changed the way you'll look at a price tag, subscribe to Human Science. Every week, we break down one real study about how your mind actually works.